Yeah, the recording has stopped. So far this food is nice, but slightly too much spicy. My husband would love it more. Ooh. Opening my nostrils. Oh, yeah, I wanted to show you something now. Yeah. In one of the store front of Manchester Andale, you're not going to believe what I found. It's a shame they don't have a bigger pack. Oh my god. I'm not going to eat it now. Half for me, half for him. Naughty. I don't know how much it was though. I just grabbed it and go. I will encourage this one and let you guys know. Not going to do it this week, over the weekend. Night time I will randomly give him chocolate. I hope my son is not gonna ask for it. I'll tell him you're not allowed. So I better not eat it now. I need to hide it in somewhere else. If I do not forget where I left it. It's here. So that's all from me, guys. Have a good week. I'll see you soon. Bye.